So hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on KavinhFX. So in today's video I would like to share my weekly forex forecast for GBPUSD and USD index guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, before that, in our previous video our subscribers were 251 guys, okay, and over a week we gained 7 more new subscribers guys, and currently we are at 258 out of 400 subscribers guys, okay. That's a huge amount of subscribers guys. Thank you to my new subscribers out there. Thank you for subscribing me. Okay, just follow my golden rules, which is don't be greedy, don't overtrade, and follow your money management. Just follow this, you'll be a successful trader guys, okay. With that said, let me move on to USD index. Okay guys, as you guys can see, USD index was a nice buy pressure, and I told you guys that last week we had FOMC week guys, okay. Market will be a bit volatile. As you guys can see, we saw a nice selling pressure on GBPUSD, nice buying pressure on USD index guys, okay. The federal fund rates were very good guys, okay. That was nice. There was a lot of good news for USD index. That's why the market started moving up guys, okay. And as you guys know, in my previous analysis, in my previous weekly forex forecast analysis, I told you guys that the market, if you guys are taking a buy, you guys can take a buy here. That's what I told you guys. One of my analysis was, if the market starts retracing from this trend line, you guys can place your buy order here, okay, from this fresh area of demand. Once the market started to retrace from here, you guys can place your buy trade here. But due to immense buy pressure in USD index, market started moving up guys, okay. Market started moving up, and we saw a nice selling pressure on GBPUSD. So yeah, that's my move on USD index. What's my move on USD index is, I would like to see the market moving up guys. I'm a buyer on USD index, okay. I'm a buyer on USD index. I'd like to see the market moving here guys, okay. Let me zoom out a bit. I'd like to see the market moving in this zone here guys, 97.747. Currently the market is at this zone here, okay, between this zone here, market at this zone here. I would like to see the market touching this resistance here guys, or if the market breaks this resistance, then I would like to see the market moving up guys furthermore around 99, okay. Before that, I would like to see the market touching this resistance here, okay. That's my move on USD index. I'm a buyer. But before taking any entries guys, okay, before moving on my buy position here, I like to see the market retracing from this resistance here guys, okay. Once the resistance has been broken, okay, to my new subscribers out there, just take it note. Once the resistance has been broken, it will be act as a support guys, okay. For an example, let me zoom out. So you guys can see this was a resistance for the market, okay. Yeah, this was a resistance for the market here, okay. This was a resistance, market went up, market couldn't break this resistance, market started moving up, and then market was in a sideways. And then once the market break this resistance, okay, market went up again, market failed to break this resistance, market came down. Once market started break this resistance here, market went up guys, okay. Market went up. Once the resistance has been broken, market will go up. But once the resistance has been broken, it will be act as a support. For an example is this, okay. So you guys can see market came down again, took support from here, and then we saw a nice buying momentum guys, okay. That's why once the resistance has been broken, it will be act as a support. Just remember that, okay guys. So yeah, what's my move on USD index? I'm a buyer. I would like to see the market moving up. Before that, I would like to see the market retesting from this support, okay, retesting from this support, and then start moving up guys. That's my move on USD index. So yeah, with that said, let me move on to GBPUSD. Okay guys, for pound, okay, as I told you guys, I'm a buyer on USD index. So for pound, I'm a seller, okay. But before that, let me move to H1. Okay, in my previous analysis, this was the place I mentioned, I think so. From my previous analysis, I told you guys, if Monday the market started move up, okay, you guys can place your instant buy trade here, okay, your TP around 136.000, and then from there you guys can place your sell. Once the market start retracing from the trend line, you guys can place your sell. So you guys know USD index market didn't retrace from the trend line, and GBPUSD also market never went up guys, okay. Market went up, market went 20 pips. Some of you guys secured the profit, okay, some of you guys secured the profit, and some of you guys ended up losing it. I'll tell you why guys. Why you guys mainly lose it is because you guys never place your stop profit, okay. The important thing in this market here is to secure partial amount of the market guys, okay, without losing anything. That's why stop profit is very important, and I've been mentioning in all of my videos guys, okay. If you guys are thinking that I'm bluffing, you guys can check out my previous videos. I've mentioned the word stop profit guys, okay, stop profit, okay. That's why guys, stop profit is important, okay. As you guys can see, market move up 20 pips. Some of you guys secured. To the subscribers out there who knows the stop profit that I've been mentioning, you guys would have secured profit, and some of you guys will place your instant sell as well, okay. That's a smart move, okay. I told you guys to place your sell here, but you guys could analyze. you guys got place your stop profit here. I mean, you guys got place your sell here. You guys ended up making a lot, guys. Okay, some of you guys said I made 50 pips from sell on USD index. I mean on GBPUSD. Okay, guys. Okay, congrats to you guys. I'm very happy for you. Okay, and yeah, and some of you guys said I lost some money here. Okay, and it ended up hitting my stop loss. Okay, as you guys told. Okay, as I told you guys, stop profit is very important. Why is stop profit important? Stop profit will secure partial amount of your profit. Okay, for an example, okay, I'm educating you guys here. For an example, if you guys have bought your order around 135,400, okay, for an example here lah, 135,400, and your TP is around 135,600, and your stop loss is 20 or 40 pips, is 135,000. Okay, if the market starts moving up, okay, from 134,400, if the market starts moving up, you guys can move your stop loss to your area of that you guys bought. For an example, you guys bought at 135,400, okay, 135,400. The market has moved to 135,600. Okay, that's 20 pips for you guys. If you guys want to hold your trade, and then your stop profits, your stop loss is at 135,000. Okay, 135,100 there. I mean 135,000 there. Okay, if the market starts moving up 20 pips, you guys can move up your stop loss to the place you bought. For an example, you bought at 135,400. You guys can move your stop profit there. I mean your stop loss to that place, and that's why that's what we will call as stop profit, guys. That's what we will call a stop profit. You guys are securing some of amount there. You guys can move it furthermore up also to 135,500 because you guys can secure 100 pips. If the market starts retracing like this, the market went up. If the market came down, the market the order might be closed, guys. Okay, that's why a lot of that's two terms for this: stop profit or break even. You guys can secure partial amount. That's why it's called as break even. And stop profit, you guys can stop your order from going for stop your order from reaching your loss, guys. Okay, you guys can secure some of the amount there. That's why stop profit is very important. Okay, I'll do a short video on stop profit. If you guys want a video for that, you guys can message me. You guys can see here my Instagram here, KavinhFX. Okay, you guys can see here. You guys can message me on my Instagram here, or if you guys want to comment in my comment box below, you guys can comment there. Okay, so yeah, for GBPUSD, I'm a seller, but before that, I told you guys the USD index has to retrace before moving up. So for GBPUSD, in this area here, I'll give you guys okay, this is one of my analysis here is I will buy GBPUSD. Okay, I would buy GBPUSD. My TP1 will be around 134,467, 134,400, and my TP2 around this area, guys. Okay, my TP2 is around this area. Okay, just remember, please place your stop profit and your stop loss properly, guys. Okay, and your stop loss, it can be around, okay, if you guys are buying around 134,400 means, okay, your stop loss, it can be around 133,800, guys. Okay, that's 20 pips only, guys. You are making here 40 pips, 50. I mean, you guys are making more than 80-90 pips here, guys. Okay, your stop loss is at 20 pips here. Okay, so yeah, what's my move on GBPUSD is, okay, I'm a seller, but before that I would like to see the market moving here, guys. Okay, because USD index has to come down to retrace. So when USD index is coming down, GBP will move up, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's why I would like to see the market coming here, guys. Your TP1 around 134,400 or 134,500 within this zone here, guys. Okay, if you are making profit, guys, remember, if you are making profit, just close it, guys. Okay, I mean, just place your stop profit there. If you guys want to hold it, or if you guys want to close it, I'll gladly ask you guys to close it. Okay, if you guys are making profit there, if you guys want to hold, you guys think that the market will move up here, then you guys can place your break even or your stop profit. Just bring your stop loss to nearer to the point, guys. For an example, you bought at 134,100. Okay, I'm explaining this again. 134,000. Okay, the market is at 134,300, guys. Okay, 30 pips there. Your stop loss is at 133,800. Okay, change your stop profit, change your stop loss to 134,100, guys. Okay, you bought at 134,000. Okay, change your stop profit to 134,100. If the market starts retracing back down, if the market starts moving down, it will close at 10 pips for you guys. Okay, you guys can secure your amount. Okay, you guys can secure partial amount. That's why stop profit is very important, guys. And you guys can call it as break even. So in the market term, they will call it break even. To make to make myself to understand this. Okay, sorry, to make myself to understand, I'm calling this as stop profit, guys. Okay, that's why stop profit or break even is very important, guys. Okay, I'll make a short video for this. So with that said, I will end today's video. I'm a buyer on USD index and I'm a seller on GBPUSD. Before that, I would like to see USD index coming down, and GBPUSD, I would like to see the market moving here, guys. 134,467, 135,000 to 135,210, guys. Your TP2 can be there. Okay, So yeah, with that said, I would like to end today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys have any doubt, you guys can comment on my comment box below, or if you guys want to personally contact me, so you guys can see from the screen itself, KavinhFX, you guys can contact me there. So yeah, with that said, I will end today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, do subscribe my channel. My target is 135. My target is 400 subscribers, guys. Currently we are at 251 subscribers, so do subscribe my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Adios and bye bye.